So here's a thing that can happen if you get to the stage that you're at the assembly. So I got here at this step that I'm assembling, and I was following the illustration that I had. But what I have here is not the picture, or is not the piece that I have here. So I know somewhere I messed up. And then looking at this, I realized it was actually this blue piece where I made a mistake. Now what you can do in Inventor is you can actually go into that piece while you're in the assembly and make that change. So just in looking at this part right here, it's actually supposed to come off that face one more. So if I double click on the part here, whoops, double click on the little icon there, not the text, it lets me come into here, and now I'm functionally in this drawing. So what I can do is I can do a 2D sketch just like I could before. I kind of see the ghosts, the phantom of the rest of the assembly there. And here's where I can go in 0.75, 0.75, finish sketch just like I've been doing before, extrude. I want that to extrude 0.75, that's the cube dimensions here. Okay, and then I can hit return. So now this piece exists the way it should, according to the diagram here. Now I might have to go in and fix that color, but that would just be same way we colored it the first time. We could go in and color it again. My screen's kind of small, so it's not showing me all my options. But I just want to show the assembly bit here. So now at the very end of my assembly, I've got this peg bit that I want touching mate right here. Apply. It's got to spin around. Let me see. I want this side touching that side, and if those two surfaces are flat, that gives me the final assembly. Now everything is together, and I can go back in and fix the coloring on this. But that's how you make a correction on a piece if you're at the assembly stage. Just kind of a quick change to go back in. If it's a more complicated thing that you need to go back and do, you might have to actually go into that file and open it. If the part's already in the assembly, it will update in the assembly. You might have to close and restart it, and it should update. But that's how you do a quick fix in assembly for a part that maybe wasn't quite done correctly. Thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.